Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delightful pie for your playful pig. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 large apples, 1 cup of rolled oats, a small amount of unsweetened applesauce, and a pre-made whole wheat pie crust. Make sure all components are pig-friendly and free from added sugars or harmful spices. This simple recipe ensures a tasty and safe treat for your oink-tastic friend. Next, let's prepare the delicious filling. Begin by peeling and dicing your 3 large apples into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch cubes. In a mixing bowl, combine these diced apples with 1 cup of rolled oats. Add about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce to bind the mixture and provide a little extra moisture. Stir everything together thoroughly until well combined, creating a wholesome base. Now it's time to assemble your pig's special pie. Carefully press your pre-made whole wheat pie crust into a standard 9-inch pie dish, ensuring it fits snugly. Evenly pour the prepared apple and oat filling into the crust, spreading it out to the edges. You can then create a simple lattice top with extra crust strips, or just cover it with another full crust, making a few small vents for steam. Finally, let's bake and serve this wonderful creation. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for approximately 30 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is tender. Once baked, allow the pie to cool completely before offering it to your pig. Remember, this is a special, occasional treat, so serve a small portion to your happy, squealing friend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.